Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas. The backyard is the territory located behind the back of the house. In addition to the owners, no one sees what is in this place, and therefore the owners of the plot do not really bother with its gentrification and do not spend any effort or time on the appropriate design of the backyard design, and very in vain. After all, using various design tricks, you can equip a great place for a pleasant pastime with friends at the blazing heat of the barbecue. Most fashionable options for the arrangement of the invisible parts of the site today are the design of vertical arches, decorative fences, cascading placement of flower beds. It is possible to achieve the necessary beauty and charm if you carefully prepare for the upcoming work and take into account all the difficulties that arise. When planning the placement of a gazebo with a barbecue, it is necessary to calculate whether the smoke will interfere with neighbors, whether it is possible to reliably hide a place for intimate conversations for prying eyes, to provide the place for a utility room where the barbecue and firewood will be stored. To place a playground, you should plan the location of such necessary elements as closed-type sandboxes, swings, slides, various decorative figures of fairy tale characters. The undeniable advantage of the location of the children's area in the backyard is that the kids are always supervised and away from highways. How do you look these awesome ideas? We would love to hear from you. hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.